Over at Ridgeside Lake, a pair of ducks took off. Grackles will pretty much only let you get video of them from across the pond. Today they were sitting on top of the tree. I took some pictures. What you'll see is the highlights, primarily when they fly off, and then some slow motion of the flying. I rarely get dove video, but recently they have been more visible. These guys are sitting on a tree right across from the bench. While watching the doves, we got interrupted. A lone Canada goose came flying in and landed in the pond. Last critter I videoed of the day was the dove.